Hi, I'm Shrikant, data scientist at Sedin Technologies. We're based in Chennai and Bangalore. I'm very honored to be invited here to Sri Eshwar College of Engineering here in Coimbatore. Went through the campus, met the faculty, was very impressed both by the faculty's quality and the enthusiasm of the faculty. Also during the sessions, very happy to see the energy and the intelligence in the students, very interactive sessions. And after the session, I was walked through the various projects, and the projects were also very interesting. So I was very impressed by both the theoretical and the hands-on project knowledge. Very happy to see that. To all the students, I think you're in a very good institution where you're getting the best of both theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge. So gain your skills, be confident. There is a lot of opportunities out in the world, so get the best as much as possible out of the faculty and the college, and I'm sure you'll do really well in life.